Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, if the number of sides of regular polygon are doubled, the sum of its interior angle would increase by 150%. What is the regular polygon? We know that sum of the interior angles of regular polygon is given by n minus 2 into 180, where n is the number of sides. So s equals to n minus 2 into 180. Suppose this is equation number 1. Now, as sides of a regular polygon are doubled, the sum would increase by 150%. So 150% means 150 by 100, that is 5 by 2. So by using this condition, we can write here 5 by 2s equals to 2n minus 2 into 180. So s equals to 2 by 5 2n minus 2 into 180. So s equals to 4n minus 2 into 180 by 5 means 36. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now, equating 1 and 2, we get now here equating 1 and 2, we get 4n minus 2 into 36 equals to n minus 2 into 180. So here 144n minus 72 equals to 180, and minus 182 into 2 is 360. Now minus 72 plus 360 equals to 180n minus 144n. So 360 minus 72 is 288, and this 180 minus 180n minus 144n is 36n equals to 288. Now divide both the sides by 36, we get n equals to 8. Hence, as there are 8 sides, hence given regular polygon is octagon, which is our option C. Hence, given regular polygon is octagon, which is our option C.